Hey guys, this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm actually doing an Android apps review. If you want to record video using your phone while screen lock it, I think this video is going to be helpful for you. So let's get started. So guys, first of all you need to download these apps from Play Store called Quick Video Recorder, which is downloaded over 5 million people and over 100,000 people reviewed. Just type in Quick Video Recorder. As you can see, this Quick Video Recorder, just click here and just click to install. Its size also less than 10 megabyte. I'm not sponsored by Quick Video Recorder. I like it and I often using it, and it is a download done then often. As you can see, some terms and conditions, just accept. As you can see, this is home page of these apps. This is timer and record button only, and here is time schedule. You can set timing when you start recording or stop recording. But one thing I recommend you, please don't violate any law and enforcement. Use it for your educational some positive purpose. As you can see, set up a recording automatically, set your date, and here is time, front camera or back camera. So you can select here front camera or back camera, repeat recording or off. If you record instantly, just click here, and as you can see, need allow something because it is for the first time. Some permissions. Okay, if you need to record instantly, just click here to start recording it working. As you can see, time start. You can lock at your phone but it's still recording. So I'm open. As you can see, it working, and I want to stop. Just click here again and it shows click to play. It is working well. It has lots of features, so you can customize yourself and go to setting. Here's the setting options. Record complete, show notifications is for when you stop recording. Here is notification for your completing record, and vibrate when you start recording, and you can on or off shutter sound. I think it is no need shutter sound. Very important, ignoring battery optimizations, because if battery optimizations off, this software not working well, so you need to select don't optimize. And you can select camera API. I think it is not necessary, and select your desired camera, front or back. I set to back. You can turn on flashlight, but it is no need, I think, because you're recording on your lock screen, no one notice. And autofocus mode, it is better to has auto continuous video and video stabilize. If your mobile support video stabilizations, you can turn it on, then your video is stabilized. So here's the another mode is preview mode. Here's geotagging. You can add your GPS data to your video, then you need to turn on this. Video should be recording with geotagging, geo informations. So you can select video resolutions. I think it is better to HD frame rate, lots of feature here, and you can change your theme on night mode. As you can see, his whole thing is black. So you can set security code for this app here. I'm not going to set. And best thing is, if you set widget from home screen, you can record shortly. As you can see, quick video recorder widget. Here's 3 different widget. Quick recorder, it is for front camera. It start recording, as you can see, and stop. It also change this icon from settings, as you can see. So you can change widget settings, front camera. You can change icon, select icon pack. Here I already downloaded lots of icons, and you can select here like that, no one notice. Okay, as you can see, it changed it to calendar. No one noticed it is a video recorder. It is just look like a calendar. And you can edit video here. Actually not edit, it is a trimmer. You can cut here, and here's the gallery option, how many video you have in your phone. So pretty much that's it. I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If you find out this video helpful, please like and share my video. See you next.